Marth ditto.
Yep.
Really good tipper to start.
He who dash dances best in this matchup wins. It's risky to try to do aerials against Marth and Ditto.
Yeah.
As you can see, he got swatted out of the air. You got to try to stay grounded.
I love watching like Marth when they're like trying to come down from the air, like over the stage. They'll do like really desperate down airs sometimes.
Yeah. It's pretty risky because if you get sniffed out, he's pretty much dead.
Really good tipper.
Well, it's pretty hard to edge guard in the Ditto when he has his jump. It's not
really good shield breaker.
Ooh, that tech saved his life. Blue Marth couldn't let Black Marth run away with it.
Really good crouch cancelled down tilt.
Yeah, right now they're just exchanging hits. There was a couple back and forth crouch cancel stuff.
Good forward smash by the Blue Marth. Oh.
Black Marth to control this match.
Really good forward smash.
Yep, good forward smash. Now the game is close to even.
Ooh.
Could have been deadly.
Yeah, that was really good DI on Vro's part. Vro with the grab. Almost got the down tilt.
Risky dancing late on shield. He got grabbed for it.
Ooh.
That was bad DI on the back throw. That's why he was able to get that forward air. And led to a edge guard.
Very dangerous situation for Vro here, because he could very easily go down to his chain grab.
Blue Marth's turned it around. He's in the lead now.
Oh, that tipper to finish off game one.
Wow, what a reversal.
No
It
kidding.
seemed like Black Marth was in control for the most part when he was able to get the lead. He never gave it back. Which one's which?
Vro is the Blue Marth, and Sizzle's the Black Marth.
Okay.
I love watching Vro play. Starting off with a really good shoot. Wow!
That was a very poor.
That was an amazing gimp to take the stock so early.
That was more of a poor jump by Sizzle. He got caught with a down tilt.
That whiffed forward smash cost him a grab, a little bit of percent. I think Vro's in a really, really good position right now because he got that.
Vro in this game is defending his space much better. And now it's Black Marth having trouble. Sizzle.
Really good forward smash.
That's really scary when the tipper pushes you off the platform.
Yeah.
And you get knocked down.
Almost got the shield breaker. Good down tilts. That should be the stock, yeah.
The Sizzle's making some questionable recovery options.
Vro with a commanding lead in this match.
He might be stuck. No, he gave him the edge.
He's got really good DI.
Sizzle needs to close out. Sizzle needs to close out the stock.
That should be the stock. Oh, he had the jump. Not enough.
Vro has a full stock lead. Let's see what Sizzle can do to bring it back.
I want to say the ball's in Vro's court right now, but we saw that Sizzle basically had game 1, and then Vro just like came back and just swept it. So it still could be either player's match. Some really good
Sizzle
spacing.
seems to have Vro pinned down to that edge right now. And
Only a 50% difference right now. Really good down throw to forward air. Almost got the forward smash.
It's gonna be stuck.
Really, I think he almost went like a little too early on the on getting back up. So like maybe a few frames and Sizzle could have gotten back.
Yeah, I think Sizzle's trying too hard to fight his way back to the stage. Sometimes you just gotta take the path of least resistance to the edge. Because Vro keeps catching him out of these attacks. Ooh, that was a
really good monster.
That was a
tipper.
brilliant air dodge read by Sizzle. Oh, that might be it.
That might be the stock. Yeah. Oh, close.